You know, we're getting close to that time of the year when the 2011 Iron is unveiled to the public. And while you may have seen a few things online, I'm here to show you my first-hand experience with the 2011 Polaris lineup.
60% of our lineup is new for 2011. You know, the excitement around the new 600 Rush was incredible. It was better than anything that we ever expected, and it is the #1 seller in the performance category for Polaris. So we couldn't be happier. One of the pushbacks, though, that we received, especially from those early influencers, is that they wanted more power. The 600 was nice, but they wanted an 800, and now we're delivering that with model year 11.
Understanding the name of sleds can sometimes be the biggest hurdle to get over in this business. At first, I didn't realize that ProRide was more than just a rear suspension for the Rush. Helping us understand this better is Chris Wolf from Polaris.
What ProRide is a platform that serves as the future for Polaris snowmobiles in different segments. We started out last year with Rush in the ProRide platform, and this year we're expanding with RMK and Switchback Assault, also in ProRide. So what this is referring to our platform, which gives us the rider active control and the cast front clip and the overstructure. This chassis that's built purposefully to be light and strong and very responsive. And now this year we're expanding the Rush line too, so we have 5 Rush models that are also ProRide. So we have 3 600s, a base model, a Pro R, and a LX model. And in the 800 we have a base and a Pro R model. So we've got purpose-built designs for all kinds of riders. The thing to keep straight is that the ProRide is a platform, not a suspension only.
Now, the 2010 Rush worked great and sold amazingly well, but Polaris has continued the relentless pursuit for perfection, and in 2011 refined the rear end for not just better looks, but better overall performance.
For model year 11, we've made some really nice refinements to our front rail profile. We've improved its ability to go from varying snow conditions. When we go from real hard-packed snow to soft snow, we don't scrub off as much speed. We also accelerate quicker and carry better top speed on the hard-packed snow. Also, we've added a rear cooler. Because of the high output of our 800 engine and its high level of horsepower, we needed a higher heat rejection rate through our cooling system. We've implemented a rear cooler design that's very effective not only for the 800, we've added it to the 600 as well.
While the Rush lineup is super exciting for 2011, there's big news on the mountain side of things with the overhaul of the RMK line. Can you say 431 pounds?
So why should you believe in a 431-pound mountain sled? I mean, there's 4 things to keep in mind. 1, it's still an RMK. It meets all the things that RMK has always been. Secondly, it's got advanced design technology and manufacturing technology. This chassis is built with fewer parts and fewer welds and things like structural bonding that can make it simple and lighter. We're light where we can be. We touched every single part on this sled in order to get to a 40-pound reduction from the IQ chassis. Just a staggering achievement, really. And the last thing is, it's strong where it needs to be. You know, the running board supports are extruded aluminum. We've got strong A-arms. We've got the Pro Taper bars. All the things that we need to make sure that this sled is going to be durable and it's going to be able to come back for more abuse year after year, day after day. This is a sled that you can believe in, even though it's light.
One of my personal favorite new sleds for 2011 is the Switchback Assault. Built on the new ProRide chassis with a straight tunnel, this is a free rider's dream, featuring many of the cool updates found on the 2011 RMKs. Carbon fiber rear bumper, Pro Taper handlebars, and weight savings everywhere possible. This sled is available in season with a 1.352 by 144-inch track or spring ordered with a 2-inch lug and a crazy orange paint job. We've been asking for a Flatlanders Assault, and in 2011, we're getting it. With 60% new for 2011, I could spend a whole show telling you what's new and not get everything out. One thing I can tell you for certain is that for 2011, Polaris is forging ahead no matter what stands in their way.